So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our Euro JPY. So if you are yet to subscribe guys, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button guys. Click on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any updates and write make it in the comment. Now if you take a look at this Euro Swiss franc JPY, we are very much in an uptrend move. Market is giving us a series of higher and higher low. So if this is your high on Swiss franc JPY, then we've gotten an higher low. This is also our higher high, and here comes the higher low. Markets eventually push up again to form a new high, which took out this previous high, and here is our higher low. So markets eventually push up again to form a new higher high, right? And here is a little bit of a higher low, which is ranging within this level, right? So with this movement, we are expecting market to form a new higher high. So a new higher high is what we should be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY, meaning once the London section opens, you should be looking for a buy setup. Now, could there be any change to this movement? Absolutely yes. But with what market is likely to do, market is likely to give us one more bullish move that will push up. At least, even if it does not take out this high, at least it should come to take this resistance level right here. It should at least come to take this resistance level. So a bullish move is likely what we'll be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. At least we should be targeting between 60 pips. Now, could there be any changes to this moment? Yes, but if there will be any, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So subscribe right now and click on the bell notification in order for you not to miss out on any updates.